Hello everyone and welcome to a quick Google Chrome tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to turn off hardware acceleration in Chrome. This is actually quite simple. To do this, I first open Google Chrome, click on the three dots in the top right hand corner and go to Settings. In the sidebar I now select System and here I find the hardware acceleration. I can deactivate the hardware acceleration by clicking on the slider. I now have to restart Chrome for the change to take effect. And that's all you have to know. It's actually quite simple, but you need to know where the function is located. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.